Take that, Emma.
So cocoa powder can be a great, so cocoa powder can be a great.
1, 2, 3. Hi, my name is Ali and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. Hi. Okay, so let them know who you are.
So my name is Shannon Kenny. I have a website called mama.eco.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram, mama.eco.
I'll put the handle somewhere here and the link here.
But mama.eco, everything that I do is about sustainability, things that are environmentally friendly, and Lizzie is the makeup guru.
I'm here to teach her some basics.
Yes.
Some refresh some basics.
Yes.
Yeah, and she's here to teach me sustainability and the zero waste life and tell me what I can do to do better for the environment, because I do feel like there's so much more I can do, but it's particularly hard in Trinidad to do. So none of that's an excuse, but I have been using that as an excuse.
That is a good point though.
Yeah. Do you know what type of skin you have?
No.
Do you get oily throughout the day?
Sometimes
or very
like hair.
Okay, that's pretty normal.
I think my face is more dry.
Dry.
Do
you get patchy? Like patches, especially in winter in New York.
Patchy, like the coloring of the skin?
No, like flaky skin.
Sometimes.
It's dry, yeah,
Sometimes.
dryness. Okay. So right now I'm just putting some moisturizer on your skin. Okay. That is just needed in any kind of procedure, whether you're oily or not.
Yeah.
It's really good to put on moisturizer base for the makeup.
Not really.
Your more mascara, your concealer, and a lip.
Yeah, my main thing is the concealer for the dark circles, and then I feel like I don't, like when I put on the concealer, maybe the color isn't the perfect match, so then I feel like I have to put on the foundation to make it not look weird.
Yeah.
And then I also feel like
but you would go without foundation if you could.
I would go without all of it.
Yeah.
The only thing
That's what I'm saying.
is just the dark circles. I don't really care about anything else.
Well, that's what I was saying. And then you can actually bring down your routine to just the liquid concealer and then powder. The same we're gonna try out today. Cocoa
powder.
Cocoa powder for bronzer. What is the flour?
So we have coconut flour because I couldn't find
almond
flour, which would have been the perfect color.
Okay. It might also be, how old is the powder? No judgment here.
5 years.
For how much?
5 years.
Yeah, out.
Because I don't really use it.
Because you don't use it, but makeup does have expiration dates. You obviously won't need all of this, but I am going to use yellow on Shan's because she has dark circles that are grey tones. Okay, difference in one eye already. You see any?
That can be used for a lot of different things once you're done with it. Though.
Yeah,
like that.
this can be. Oh, true, for sure. Like, I show
vitamins in there.
True. This is the Makeup Forever foundation palette.
That could also be a really good travel case. So like if you were traveling.
Also my earrings, like jewelry, stuff like that. Yeah. Oh my god. It's just not to throw away mindlessly after using something. That's what the zero waste lifestyle is about, right?
Throwing away is your last option. Reuse, so you know you can find other uses for that. You may be able to use that for a bunch of other things that could maybe extend its life by 2, 3, 4 times what the average person does.
Okay.
Recycle, but a lot of people also kind of, once they recycle, they kind of wash their hands and they say, okay, I did my part.
It's not a problem anymore.
Coconut flour.
Coconut flour. So this is my first time trying this. Actually, I should maybe do a little swatch on my hand, see how it feels. Oh, it's very grainy.
Is that good or bad?
Bad. It should be a little bit more smooth, okay?
the particles are bigger than what's normal.
Yeah, then you know, they will blend easier into your skin. So like right here, the inside of your eye right here, it doesn't look as smooth as I think it would look if I had used a regular makeup powder.
Right.
That is probably the only complaint I have about it so far.
So since you're doing my eyelashes, why don't you show me the
Oh yes.
eyelash extensions?
Well, these are strip lashes, which are pretty common in Trinidad in terms of clients requesting them. Package strip lashes though, however, these, I mean, not to hate on Ardell, which is a great brand, and their lashes are actually really nice and not so fake looking, but the packaging is what I wanted to bring attention to Shan's. I'm gonna bring down the camera a little bit so that you can show them.
Just first looking at this, it doesn't even look like the packaging is recyclable, so normally this might be
so what I mean,
so how you know if something is recyclable in terms of plastic is there'll be that little recycling triangle on there,
right?
And
but some stuff doesn't
number.
even have it, Chance.
Right, so
like,
I honestly don't
how do
think,
you even know?
I don't think any of this is recyclable. This part may be, but again, it doesn't have it on there.
So what that means is that if I was to go and put this, I think I'm doing a great deed by putting this in the plasticky thing.
It might be going in the trash. Because they have to sort it, right?
Right.
So when it comes to them, they're gonna look through it and they're gonna sort out anything that's not recyclable. And a lot of people have like, I don't know what it's called. It's
so just because it's plastic, guys, does not mean that it's recyclable. I feel like that is a common misconception. You think, okay, well, plastic, it's gonna go in the recycling and I'll be fine. I'm doing my great deed of the day.
Yeah.
No.
Just looking at this, I'm 99% sure that this is not recyclable plastic.
Does that mean it comes from plastic that has been recycled and it just can't be recycled anymore though, by chance?
There's 7 different types of plastics, 1 through 7.
I'm killing the world!
1 is the most recyclable, 7 is the least recyclable. So I don't even think that this, and the reason that is because like, okay, the 7 is made up of several different types of plastics, so like, how do they then break that down to then reuse the raw materials? So I honestly, I may be wrong, but I don't think that this is recyclable.
I don't think any of these are. I don't think any of these are. The cheat to bronzing, if you want to say, like it usually tends to work on everybody and it will work on you. It's the number 3. So you do a number 3 on the face that way. And you can look at the video if you want to know, but it's basically 3. That's where you're applying it.
And the center 3 is on the cheekbone or below?
No. You feel where your cheekbone is?
Yeah.
Below it.
Okay.
That hollow right here?
That's the center of the 3.
That's the center, and you take it into the hairline and all hair, because you don't want to have a difference between hair and there.
Got it. So cocoa powder can be a great bronzer alternative. So
definitely.
So far we're 1 for 2.
Yes.
Coconut flour, not so good for foundation, but cocoa powder, it can be a great bronzer.
Definitely. So again, I had a new product and I just started here, and I'm now taking it up to your forehead.
Smells good.
It smells so good. Like I really want the hot chocolate right now. You have a blog, right? Do you want to talk about your blog a little bit while I finish off your lips?
Yeah, so
Instagram, but you also have a blog.
So yeah, on
it's totally okay, you can talk.
mama.eco.com.
Press that.
Every week I'll come out with, I'll write a blog on a different topic of ways that people can be more sustainable, and a lot of times it's very easy changes. So a lot of people want to be more sustainable or live more sustainably, but they just don't know where to start. And so my whole goal is to make that whole process as seamless and as easy as possible. So each week...
Sorry, brief break.
Each week I'll focus on something different, so you know, easy swaps you can do in the bathroom, or recently I did one on, you know, feminine care, what you can do for you know, when you have your period each month, that you know, you can avoid having any waste whatsoever.
All these stickers or the pads, oh my god, all of that is plastic. See what I mean? I don't know. Putting the brow gel on you, you will tell me if you see any difference. I just think it will add a little bit more shape, because just at the end here it does get very thin, just trying to even that out because I did give you mascara and lashes, so just very subtle. What do you think, Shans? Would you go out like this?
I would.
Yeah, it's not, again, it wasn't meant for a heavy coverage look. This is just covering up her dark circles, enhancing the shape of her face, giving her a little bit of a pink lip to make her look a little girly, because I'm her friend and I know her for really long and I'm just putting her on the spot. She wants to kill me right now. But other than that, you would go out like this, right?
If I was going out, this is definitely not something I would do on a regular basis.
Yeah. Your day to day, this works.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
I got